up, guys, and welcome back to another vlog. A lot of people have been asking me to start off my day a little bit early, not just wake up, go to the club. So today I started a little bit early. I had a photo shoot this morning in downtown Fort Lauderdale. We did it on the 40th floor, I believe. Really cool pictures. Check it out on my Instagram at ETKicks, ETKICKS. Right now I'm headed to go get my hair cut because this thing is a mess. And then I think I'm gonna do some shopping because everyone needs to do some shopping, right? Retail therapy, as people say it. So hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so we just got to my haircut place. Next time you see me, it's gonna be a new me. Taking off the beard, new person. Well, what do you guys think? I think it's a lot cleaner. Now time to shop. So I'm still getting used to this filming in public. I walk in with my camera and they're like, sir, no filming, no filming, no filming. So I couldn't show you guys, but if you know me, you know I love sneakers. And I got another pair. I got another pair of, yes, it's at Marshall's. Yes, I shop at Marshall's. Hate me if you hate me, but they have really good deals. Calvin Klein loafers, gray, suede, perfect for the dressy. I got these for 50 bucks rather than 100 at the Calvin Klein store. I think I'm gonna stop by my boy Joseph's house. We're gonna hang out, play some video games. Right there. See you guys soon. So little change of plans. Joseph is at an event, so I'm gonna grab something to eat and then I'm gonna go to Joseph's house. I'm thinking pasta, but I kind of want baked potato or like mashed potatoes and gravy. Doesn't that sound good? Like a nice rotisserie chicken with mashed potatoes and gravy. Or a nice fucking drive. This is what's wrong with South Florida, is people don't know how to drive. There's an arrow, follow it. Anyways, I guess you guys will see what I decide. I'm kind of leaning towards pasta, but that chicken does sound good, so we'll figure it out. So I pulled up to an Italian place, looked at the menu, didn't feel it, now I'm walking out. Let's see where I go next. Alright, so we're at the place now that I'm gonna eat. I had to go home and change. So let's just say that it's a fancy place. What do you guys think I'm eating? Half a chicken, mashed potatoes, gravy. But I kind of wish I got pasta. Now to CVS to pick up some candy because I'm addicted to candy. Then I think I'm gonna hit up Joseph and see if he is back home so I can slide and waste time before, who am I shooting tonight? Oh, Sander Van Doorn at Live tonight. So I guess just stay tuned. I don't know. I don't know if you guys like this long actual day vlogs or if you just like the fun time when I'm already at the club. So I guess just let me know in the comments below. Below, give it a thumbs up if you like my videos and want me to pursue YouTube. Well, even if you don't thumbs up, I'm gonna pursue YouTube because I love it, but you can still give me a thumbs up though. Alright, if you live in Fort Lauderdale, or I should say Broward County, you know what I'm about to show you. And for the people that don't know what this is, I'm sorry. I wish you knew, but oh yeah. Hi, can I just have one glazed donut, please? Krispy Kreme donuts is where it's at. If you know about it, you know how good they are. If you don't, I'm sorry. Go and try one. Oh my God. No. It's so hot that the icing fell off. That's how hot and fire these Krispy Kreme donuts are. This is not a paid advertisement by Krispy Kreme's, by the way. If Krispy Kreme is watching though, don't sponsor me because I'm gonna be 100,000 pounds if you do, because all I'm gonna do is eat donuts all day. But you guys gotta check out Krispy Kreme's. I love donuts. Do you guys like donuts? Let me know in the comments below.
You like donuts?
So I've been meaning to look at trucks recently because I love trucks and I hate my car. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely seeing how much that thing is. Let's just say that truck costs as much as a new Benz or the entry-level Maserati. It is not worth that price. Ford, you are slacking. You gotta do something because no one's gonna buy that and pay the gas with that. So Ford, if you're watching, let me know. I'm trying to get a lifted truck. So I thought that we were gonna be playing Call of Duty, but Joseph felt like it was time to work out.
You got me on Snap?
Nah, I got you on the vlog.
Thank you.
That boy lifting, what is that, 685 right there?
65
Alright guys, you can't judge on my Call of Duty skills, but I think I'm doing pretty well. I think I'm doing good. That boy.
The 54 Immortals crush all opposition.
Just leaving Joseph's now. It is currently 11:20. Time to go home, get my camera, then going to live. Alright guys, so we just got to the parking lot of Live. About to go walk up to the front. I'll actually walk you guys in this time because I always speed up that front and you guys never get to see, so I'll actually show you guys what's good. DJ's side once they play here. Alright guys, so that was Sander Van Doorn. He killed it at Live. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for another EMC vlog. Tomorrow I'm shooting Michael Woods at Story. So hope you guys come along for the trip.